then our gyroscope sensor will be shaked, then we will get an accident alert message from LCD display and also IoT page. So accident alert, so those values will be uploaded into our IoT page. Also now I am going to check gas sensor. So here gas value varied. Hi guys, so today we are going to see LiFi based vehicle to vehicle communication. So this one is a transmitter kit, so this one is a receiver kit. So here LiFi transmitter LED placed, and then here LiFi receiver diode placed. So here sensors are ultrasonic for front and then rear, and then gas sensor, and then GPS module, and then eye blink sensor, LiFi transmitter LED, Wi-Fi model node MCU, Arduino, and then LCD display. So here those values, sensor values like ultrasonic, front and then rear, gas value, and then MEM sensor, gyroscope sensor, those values will be updated into our LCD display. So now I am going to switch on the power supply. So if I switch on the power supply, so both are work. So it will showing the values. First one is a gas sensor, second one is a XY axis such as a gyroscope sensor, and then remaining 2518 and then 34 something, some values are ultrasonic sensor values. So here LiFi transmitter LED switched on, and then receiver kit also switched on. So here showing LiFi receiver. So whenever we met with an accident, IoT page will update the MEM sensor, gyroscope sensor values, and then latitude longitude values to our IoT page. So here 230 volt AC step down into 12 volt AC, and then here we are using a bridge rectifier unit. It will convert AC into DC. So this is an Atmega 328P microcontroller. So now I am going to show the output. So normally, like our LiFi transmitter LED will fix like this. So whenever obstacle present, so our buzzer will detect and then activated, and then our relay model will be going to switch off. So it will slow down our DC motor. So same time, so our second rear ultrasonic detector means, so it will also activate the buzzer. Then our gyroscope sensor will be shaked, then we will get an accident alert message from LCD display and also IoT page. So accident alert, so those values will be uploaded into our IoT page. Also now I am going